Ever since the initiation of the revamped and renamed project, a great deal of work has been accomplished at Sheltrex Karjat. The purpose of this edition of the newsletter is to update you on the construction status of the 100-acre project comprising of more than 20,000 homes. Homes that are a host to world-class amenities, state-of-the-art technology, coupled with innovative architecture and design. Construction is in full swing and a great deal of work has happened over the last year.
या प्रोजेक्टला कनेक्टिव्हिटी असणारे म्युनिसिपल सँक्शनच्या नुसार 2 डीपी रोड सँक्शन झालेले आहे. एक रोड ह्या प्रोजेक्ट पासून सरळ कर्जत स्टेशन पर्यंत जाणार आहे. ह्या 12 मीटरच्या रोडला कनेक्ट असलेला एक ब्रिज सँक्शन सुद्धा झालेला आहे. लवकरच त्याचं काम सुद्धा हातात घेतलं जाईल आणि त्या ब्रिजच्या कनेक्टिव्हिटीमुळे हा प्रोजेक्ट कर्जत स्टेशन पासून फक्त 500 मीटर अंतरावर असणार आहे.
95% of phase 1 is done and will soon be ready for occupation. Where the slabs are concerned, work is rapidly progressing with 60% of it already been taken care of. In fact, in 4 sections, namely A, L, M and N, more than 75% of the slab work has been completed. It is just a matter of months before the entire phase will be ready for possession as we aim to deliver 500 keys.
प्रोजेक्टच्या भवितव्यासाठी आणि चांगल्या क्वालिटीसाठी आम्ही साइटवरती आरएमसी प्लांट असेंबल केलेला आहे, ज्याची कॅपॅसिटी ताशी 60 मीटर क्यूब आहे. जनरली आपण बाहेरून कॉन्क्रीट आणतो, परंतु शेल्ट्रेक्स प्रोजेक्टने हा प्लांट साइटवर असेंबल केल्यामुळे आपण उत्तम प्रकारचं कॉन्क्रीट इथे मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करतोय. आरएमसीच्या मदतीने आम्ही 100 वर्ष अशी टिकणारी बिल्डिंग उभी करतोय.
Sheltrex Karjat stands for holistic innovation. Where sales and service of the project is concerned, Sheltrex has a dedicated team that believes in the highest level of excellence. One that has taken special measures for the existing 3,500 customers.
Hi, this is Karishma Momin. I'm Customer Relationship Manager for Sheltrex and I'm completely dedicated to take care of existing customers of TMC. Letters have been sent to our existing customers inviting them to the site, and we have special customer care number 33717760 specially allocated to our existing customers. We have organized special pickups for our existing customers, and also we have email communication team which has been set up for our ease and comfort of our customers. Then for the rectification and cancellation process, we have a dedicated documentation cell at Karjat which takes care of the collection of documents and payments as well.
A large number of measures have been taken for a hassle-free and comfortable experience for customers and prospective customers.